So the problem that I'm gonna teach you to solve is 5y to the second plus 15y equals y2 plus 3y minus 9. First thing you need to do is make one of the sides equal 0. So to do that, I am going to subtract y to the second on both sides. 3y minus 3y. And add 9 because 9 is negative.
So our learning objective today is rectangular dimensions using the
then you would get 4y to the second plus 12y plus 9 equals 0. So the next thing that we have to do is put it into the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b to the second minus 4ac over 2a. So that's the quadratic formula, and that is what we're using to solve. So if we put in the numbers for that, we will get
this is the diagram I've drawn.
4.
This is
sorry.
Right here. Middle part's the yard.
So when we put that into the quadratic formula, we get negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 12 to the second power minus 4 times 4 times 9 over 2 times 4. And then once we do all the addition and the multiplication and that, we get negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 144 minus 144 over 8. And then once we do all that, we'll get negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 0 over 8. And the square root of 0 is 0. So it would just be negative 12 plus or minus 0 over 8. Now usually we would put this into two equations because we have a plus and a minus. But since it's 0, it doesn't really matter. So then we can just do either plus or minus. 0 doesn't really do anything. So it's negative 12 over 8. And that is our final answer.